Are you looking for info about Salt Lake City emergency roof repair? You're in the right place. Dealing with roof issues under pressure is never easy, but finding help is crucial. An emergency roof repair quote in Salt Lake City will guide you in getting the assistance you need. Many homeowners make mistakes when seeking emergency roofing services. First, they rush to hire a contractor without proper research. Make sure to vet local experts and check reviews. This can save you from costly errors. Secondly, many forget to confirm costs up front, leading to unexpected bills. Always request a detailed estimate for an emergency roof repair quote in Salt Lake City, so you can avoid surprises that stretch your budget. To avoid these pitfalls, ensure thorough assessments are completed before hiring anyone. Having qualified professionals inspect your roof can prevent hasty decisions. A comprehensive evaluation helps you understand what needs immediate attention and potential costs. Ensure your time is managed well. Don't procrastinate repairs when immediate action is needed. Prioritize outreach to contractors who can respond quickly, offering timely solutions. And finally, educate yourself about roofing systems. Knowing the essentials can help you communicate effectively with contractors and make informed decisions throughout the repair process. Now let's tackle some common queries. How long does emergency roof repair take? Well, typically it can vary. Most repairs are completed in a day or two, depending on the damage and the response time. What influences the timeline? Weather can impact how quickly crews respond and work. Stormy conditions could cause delays, so it's essential to plan accordingly. And finally, how to select a reliable contractor. Check online reviews and ask for referrals from friends or family who've used local services. Personal experiences are invaluable. Remember that we're just a call away. Call us now at 385-300-1135 for your emergency roofing needs. Visit allprosroofingsaltlakecity.com to discover how we can help. Don't wait. We're ready to assist.